Have you ever wondered who was behind the creation of one of the world's leading pizza chains, Domino's Pizza? That would be Tom Monahan, a man whose life is marked by perseverance, innovation, and a relentless pursuit of success. Born on March 25, 1937 in Ann Arbor, Michigan, Monahan's journey began in a Catholic orphanage after the early death of his father left his mother unable to care for him and his younger brother, James. But adversity did little to dampen Monahan's entrepreneurial spirit. In the year 1960, Monahan and James pooled their resources, a modest sum of $900, to purchase a struggling pizza store named Dominic's in Ypsilanti, Michigan. It was a rocky start, but Monahan's unwavering dedication and innovative approach to pizza delivery began to turn the tide. As the business began to flourish, personal challenges arose. James decided to step away from the business, selling his share to Monahan. Now at the helm alone, Monahan steered the company in a direction that would forever change the pizza industry. With Monahan's leadership, Domino's Pizza began to expand, first across the United States and then internationally. The red and blue logo became a beacon of fast, convenient service, promising pizzas delivered in 30 minutes or less. By the time the 1980s rolled around, Domino's Pizza had claimed its spot as one of the largest pizza chains in the world. Yet, even as his business soared, Monahan faced personal turbulence. Multiple divorces and health issues marked this period of his life. In 1998, after nearly 40 years at the helm of Domino's Pizza, Monahan made the decision to sell the company to Bain Capital, a private equity firm. The sale of Domino's Pizza marked a new chapter in Monahan's life, one centered on philanthropy and religious pursuits. He founded Ave Maria University in Florida, and channeled his resources into supporting various Catholic causes through his charitable foundation. Monahan also emerged as a vocal advocate for pro-life and conservative causes. Even as he stepped back from the limelight in recent years, Monahan's influence in the realms of business and philanthropy continues. His legacy as the founder of Domino's Pizza endures, as the company remains a titan in the global pizza industry. In the grand arc of his life, Tom Monahan's story stands as a testament to the power of hard work, determination, and innovation. His journey, marked by both success and adversity, is a powerful reminder of the impact one individual can have on the world, from the realm of pizza delivery to philanthropy and beyond.